case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1995, a lawsuit encapsulating the principle of failure to warn took center stage in the Mississippi Supreme Court. Known as Thomas v. McDonald, this case probed into the legal consequences of not deploying warning devices when a vehicle is stationary on the highway, the outcome potentially rendering a violator guilty of negligence. The genesis of this lawsuit was an unfortunate collision between a vehicle and a stalled Dapsco truck that stood motionless in the center of the highway due to mechanical failure. The victim's estate challenged an earlier verdict that exonerated the truck driver and his company, the defendants, from any responsibility concerning the collision damages. The defendants failed to implement any warning signals to alert other drivers about their incapacitated vehicle, an oversight the plaintiff's estate argued. A pivotal aspect of this case entailed ironing out the ambiguities of a Mississippi statute that necessitated the deployment of warning devices for halted vehicles on the highway. The court validated this viewpoint, professing the victim's estate was rightfully qualified for a negligence per se instruction. The trial court, however, failed to honor the plaintiff's request for a negligence per se instruction, an action the Supreme Court deemed improper. It also noted that the plaintiff's requested jury instruction was inaccurately substituted with a misleading alternative. This deviation triggered a comprehensive review, culminating in the Supreme Court's decision to reverse the previous ruling in favor of a new trial. In a tale of justice and due diligence, the Mississippi Supreme Court reinforced the importance of signaling during emergencies on the hectic highways.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class